How to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the UK, step-by-step tutorial 2026. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs here in the UK in 2026. No CV needed, no experience required, and you could start within days. Let's get into it. First, let me tell you what you're applying for. As an Amazon warehouse associate, you might be carrying out tasks like receiving, picking, packing, sorting, or stowing products and parcels. Amazon offers competitive pay, flexible working schedules, full-time, part-time, or seasonal, and a comprehensive benefits package. And here's the big one: the base pay for new Amazon associates starts at £12.30 per hour, and you can earn more with overtime and night shifts. Amazon also gives its workers great perks that kick in right away, including private health insurance, life insurance, income protection, paid time off, and a company pension plan. Alright, here's the step-by-step process. Go to the official Amazon UK jobs website, that's *jobs@amazon.co.uk*. All official Amazon UK warehouse jobs are found only at jobs@amazon.co.uk. Do not trust random links or texts asking for money. Legitimate Amazon jobs never require payment, and they never ask for sensitive information during applications. Browse the available roles. You'll see positions like warehouse operative, sortation operative, and fresh warehouse team member. Use the search filters to find a location near you. Click on the job that suits you and hit **, apply. You'll need to create an account or sign in using a valid email address. At this time, Amazon jobs only support sign-in using a valid email address. Fill in your personal details. And here's a great tip: Amazon UK no longer asks for CVs during the application process for these roles, so don't worry if yours isn't up to date. Submit your application and wait. You will receive a response within 24 to 36 hours, and communications will be sent over email with links and instructions to the next step of the process. Now here's the final step before you're officially hired. This is the last step in your application journey: a virtual appointment where you will provide your right to work documents over a video call. This takes just 15 minutes, so you don't need to block your day to attend. You'll need documents like a birth, adoption, or naturalization certificate and proof of national insurance. This can be any official document or letter that states your name and your national insurance number. Once your documents are approved, you'll be scheduled for what Amazon calls **day 0**. Your day 0 provides you with an onboarding and training session that will prepare you for working on-site, and the session is paid training that takes 3.5 hours to complete. Most of their jobs have immediate starts, and you also have the possibility to select from a range of available start dates. If you need any help during the application, you can call the free phone number at +44 808 164 94 27 or email myapplication@amazon.co.uk. And that's it, you're ready to apply. Go grab that job. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more UK job tutorials. Drop your questions below and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.